I'm back with a brand new book, Going Coastal. All right, my first trip to Hilo, I need a coconut.
Hey, welcome to Hawaii.
Thank you.
You came to the right place for a coconut for sure. Around there.
Nice. Wow, okay.
It's a natural lip gloss drinking
This
from
is
the
it.
coconut. There you go. How was it?
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Coastal cities from around the world are known for their incredible seafood, and Hawaii ranks up there with the very best. Join me on my trip to the big island of Hawaii, where I make my version of local poke. Oh my gosh. You've got to try this.